What's going on, y'all? All right, today I'm gonna be showing y'all pretty much how to get this good sound quality out the Altima. So pretty much you want to get in the car. Excuse the screen. I know it's try to get this in the best view as possible for you all. Excuse the screen and stuff. All right, so today pretty much what I'm gonna be doing, showing y'all the audio part. So pretty much what you're gonna do, like this is for like all models that don't have the Bose Sound System. This is the best settings possible. I went through all of them to get the best quality sound out of it. So what you want to do, you want to go to settings, cut this fan off. Want to go to sound, and you see the settings I have. See where the bass is set at. Like you want to set your bass there. You want to set your mids, your middle to that setting. Your treblings all the way up. You want to leave the balance left, rear, and the fades, all that normal. You want to make sure your bass enhancer is on if you have this button. But this is the best setting that's possible for your sound system inside your car. Yes, I have a lot of what you want to say, fingerprints or whatever going on here, but as far as this is the best setting. All right, so you also want to set your speed sensitive volume all the way up. Want to make sure that's done. Give you a closer look. You want your fade to be set here, normal. You want your balance to be there. You want the treble. You want to put the treble all the way up. Your middle, your mids, you want it right there. Let me see if I get it focused. You want it right there. And then you want to put your bass exactly right there. And then I'm going to go to Sirius. And let's see, we're going to go to the heat. I'm just going to play something real quick.
So yeah, this pretty much it. This is everything that you need to do.
Calling my phone. I told you before that it's over. Leave me alone.
That's pretty much everything that you gotta do right there. So
yeah, I just wanted y'all to hear that. You know, that's about the best setting as possible. Like I said, we can go to something like this.
And this is everything that you need to do.
So, like, this is just examples.
Y'all hear that?
Come in that bitch. Come in that bitch. Come in that bitch.
That's about the best setting.
And this outside the car.
Fuck around and bag two of them guys.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Those settings there. I mean, I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy it. I took a chance on this video just show y'all the settings, but I hope y'all enjoy watching this, and y'all take care. Thank y'all for the support. We almost 1,500 subscribers. and without y'all, that would never happen. So I really appreciate your help and support, and y'all, we're gonna keep on rocking on this channel. So y'all take care, be safe out there.